Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about types of lines. If you want to know about the lines and the basic geometrical figures, I did a previous video. You watch that video. The video link is given in the description so that you will have a better idea about the basic geometrical figures. Now let us go for types of lines. In the types of lines, first one is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Two lines intersect at a point are called intersecting lines, and the point where they meet is called point of intersection. Point of intersection. Here two lines intersect at a point is called intersecting lines. If you are having a line like this is a line. Here for this line, if a line is coming like this and this second line is intersecting the first line at one point, meeting the first line at one point, and these kind of lines where it will meet at one point is called as intersecting lines, and the point where they will meet is called as point of intersection. Point of intersection. This is the example for intersecting lines. You may have two lines like this also. If you are having a line like this, one line will have like this also. These two are also, we will call it as a intersecting lines. Why? Even though it is not intersecting, why we are calling that both lines as intersecting lines? Means we know that line will not have a definite length. These can be extended till here. While it is extending, these both are meeting at one point, right? Here, that kind of lines are also called as intersecting lines. If the two lines are extending at infinite, if they are meeting, that kind of lines are also called as intersecting lines. Second one, parallel lines. If the two lines will not intersect, even they produced infinitely, is called parallel lines. Here, if the two lines will not intersect, even they produced infinitely. If you are having two lines like this, if you are having a line like this, one line, and the second line is having like this, if you are producing these two lines infinitely, also they will not meet at any point. Such kind of lines are known as parallel lines. Let us take this is a line L and this is a line M. Here the distance between the two lines never changes. The distance between the two lines is always equal in a parallel lines. These kind of parallel lines we will see on the railway tracks. The distance between two parallel lines. This is a symbol of parallel. This is a symbol of parallel. We will draw two lines with equal distance. We will call it as a parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines are always equal. The parallel lines never meets if you are producing infinitely perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular lines if they intersect at right angles. Right angles, or you can say 90 degrees. Here perpendicular lines, two lines are said to be perpendicular. If two lines are said to be perpendicular, if they intersect at right angles or 90 degrees, both are same. If you are having two lines, a line is like this, another one if you are having like this. Here these two lines are said to be perpendicular if they both will intersect at one point and the angle at the point of contact should be 90 degrees. Then only we will call such kind of lines as perpendicular lines. Let us take this is the line L, this is the line M. Here L is a line, M is a line. Both are intersecting at one point with an angle of 90 degrees. And we can say these perpendicular lines are also intersecting lines. But for intersecting lines, there is no rule to have 90 degrees. Whereas a perpendicular lines will have a rule to have a 90 degrees between the two lines. Between the two lines, it should have 90 degrees. Here we can say perpendicular lines are also intersecting lines. But all intersecting lines are not perpendicular lines. But all perpendicular lines are called as intersecting lines. Here these can be represented as L perpendicular to M. This is a symbol of perpendicular. If you are writing like this, L parallel to M. If you are writing like this, L perpendicular to M. L parallel to M means we will have like this. This is L, this is M. There is a distance same. So wherever you are having a distance same, we will say it as L parallel to M. If a L is like this, M is like this, both are having intersecting lines but with an angle of 90 degrees, that we will call it as L perpendicular to M. This is a symbol of perpendicular. Why? Because here we are having 90 degrees. So two lines intersecting at right angles is called as perpendicular lines. Coincident lines. Two lines lie on the top of one another is called coincident lines. Coincident lines. It will meet at infinite many points. Infinite many points. Look at here. Two lines lying on the top of one another. Here, if you are having a line like this, here this is a line AB. This is a line AB. On this AB only, you are having a line CD. On this line only, you are having a CD. And this AB and CD, both lines are called as coincident lines. Why? Because two lines lie on the top of one another. On the first line, you will have, on the top of the first line, you will have a second line. So, we will call such kind of lines as coincident lines. Here, we are having infinite many points between this C and D. So, C and D and A and B are two lines which will meet at infinite many points. Such kind of lines is known as coincident lines. Concurrent lines. Three or more lines passing through a single point are called concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Here, three or more lines passing through a single point. If you are having a point P, from this point P, if three or more lines are passing, then such kind of lines are called as concurrent lines. Here, a line is passing like this. One line is passing. If another line is passing like this through the P, if one more line is passing like this, here one more line is like this. Here, if the lines are passing, all the lines are passing through the single point. So, these all lines, we will call it as a concurrent lines. Three or more lines passing through single point is called as concurrent lines.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.